Oh, this is a two-way perspective. One is Sunny and one is Freddy. Thank you for bringing your attention to this warning.
I'm gonna take a break. Alright.
Oh, wow. Don't question. Don't question it. Honestly, just don't. I was looking for something in there.
Happening.
I said don't question it. Don't question why I was in there.
I don't know. This doesn't don't question. Which is I'm actually gonna question. Because I'm a curious person.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm aware. It's the only place
Careful those
can do some of
pancakes.
my work without that one getting a hold of it.
For some reason,
They love to mess around. I mean, do you know what they just did not too long ago? They went to a different dimension. To your room. You're grounded. We're grounded. Get to your room.
No.
Yes.
why are they grounded? Dude, they're not.
They hopped into a dimensional portal. They hopped into a dimensional portal earlier.
Is that why they were missing?
Yes. Diamond. Actually, I don't think you've met Piper yet. Have you?
No. But I've heard of them.
Yes,
Like
they're
multiple
chaotic.
times this morning.
Yeah. I didn't know the portal was open and I jumped into the ball pit.
You are a liar.
I'm not a liar. I actually didn't know the portal was open.
Come!
Wait, we gotta go follow. Stay here. Listen to Eminem.
Come on.
Eminem?
There's a cat. There's a cat! And Freddy, why are you still here? You're not allowed near these. Okay. What is this?
Where's my
I'm
chat?
shutting the door.
Right now. What's wrong? What's happened?
He was near these. He's not allowed to be near them. He's grounded.
Where's Piper?
Ah! It's not a cat. It's not a cat I see. It's not. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yippee! Oh, it's so adorable.
I really know.
It's so fluffy.
Yeah, get to your room. Come on. Come on.
No.
Room. Do not make me use my magic. Do not make me use my magic lessons.
I'm gonna shut these doors.
You hate having piano lessons.
Oh no.
I don't get how
The cat doesn't like
threaten.
me. The cat doesn't like me.
I don't get how me threatening Piper with piano lessons gets them into their room.
I don't like
Do they not like
piano.
Oh.
Too bad. I know how to do piano. So,
I don't know if it's the cat is gonna let me pet it.
one of the things I learned from
Yes, I know.
Sunny from my dimension. So just stay in your room for a bit.
Why?
Well, one, it's late,
So.
and two, it's also your bedtime. Because it's your bedtime. So go to bed.
I don't want to go to bed.
It kind of
Go
is.
to bed.
You have to go to bed. You sound really tired.
I want to go to bed.
Go to bed. You stayed up
Stop kicking.
all night last night.
Nuh-uh.
When
No,
I
I
left.
didn't.
You did.
Sonny! Sonny!
This
No.
one was taking care of you.
Jolly's yelling at me. Jolly was yelling at me. I don't know. I told them not to kick Piper.
You need to try and get some sleep.
They
Come on,
kicked
Kelly.
Piper and I yelled at them to not do it. Jelly!
Everything okay?
Jelly! Oh, Jelly! I'm mad at them.
Oh.
They're not listening. Hey! Give me that. No! Jelly! Jacko, they have your dark, star power drink.
No. That is not for you.
I'm
It will
concerned.
make
I
you
drank it
all
early.
extremely ill. It will make you ill. It will make you ill. Trust me. What happened to the drink? What? What did that? What? I don't know what they did with it, but it's gone. They threw the drink.
Dude. Okay.
Ah. Ah.
What?
Well, yeah, it's late.
Come on.
Yeah,
I'm grabbing you.
let's go inside.
Yeah, we're gonna go inside.
Come on.
Is it still a dark void? Or what?
I want to go check on my child.
Ah!
I
No!
glitched
You're not
through the
getting
wall.
the pizza, I'm sorry. You're not getting the pizza.
I'm concerned for my child. I hope my child is still in the room. Well, not my child.
Yeah, you can try to walk around. I don't know.
What are you doing?
That almost hit me.
I think you've hanging
Okay,
out with
well.
Star being a bit too much. They're still in here, luckily. I'm always frantic now because of them. I was the whole way back home. You know what I was doing? I was looking back to make sure that we're following me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to my room.
I want to kick
Well,
somebody.
my work.
You're not gonna kick
Why?
people.
Why is that your first thought?
They kicked Piper too.
When? When?
When they got into the room at first. Yeah. I swear to God, if you make an argument, I'm gonna start yelling at you both. You got it?
What would the yelling do?
Now give
Start.
What would the yelling do?
There's generally no point in yelling at this. Please.
What would the yelling do?
No. God.
I mean, it would
Chicken.
I don't know. You yell at people for no reason.
Yeah, but what would the yelling do to me?
Okay.
Oh, that's gonna damage the yard.
Who cares about the yard?
You.
Maybe the one who is very particular in cleaning and making sure everything looks nice and tidy. Who do we know
We
that
never
does
keep the
that?
grass kept.
Listen.
Alright.
Hey,
I'm fine, thanks. But why is there a cut?
What?
where is it? Oh, the pizza's up there now. Okay.
Do not crawl to it. The last time you saw a pet or animal, you crawl to it. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. You got it?
Damn it.
Aww.
Jelly, 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 jelly. Can we talk? This way. Yeah, I ran right into a door.
You don't know. Someone else.
We can't even pick them up. The pancakes. Yeah.
Ask if I'm okay at some point, like whenever we're with Sunny. Whee.
Yep, I fell off.
Okay, let's go back.
Hello. I'm just chatting. Or just chatting outside. Oh, that was surprise. What is strawberry? I'm just confused. Yeah. That's odd. What? What do you mean by I got the Fritz the other day. You're doing the shopping this weekend. I don't care. You're doing the shopping this weekend. Jelly. Jelly. You.
Jelly, give me that. No. You're not supposed to have it. No. Stop yelling at me. Or motioning that you're yelling at me. Sunny.
Yeah, I think that's
Um. Isn't that the weed room? In there. I don't know, dude. You're not supposed to be in the weed room if there's some stuff in it. I don't know. Eh.
I don't know. Maybe someone ate that.
Oreo's upstairs. What? Why is there a cat? Sunny. Sunny. Jelly, go get the cat. Oh, it's right here. Okay.
Why is there another cat?
I have no idea, to be honest. Kitties! What name? What should we name it? Dude, I'm so lost. Oh, there it is. Dude, no, the cat drink it, the cat drink it, the cat drink it. No, the cat drink it. The cat drink the drink. Oh no.
Come back here, come back here.
Jelly, the cat drink the drink. So we have a
Hey,
clue
hey,
about
little
how-
guy, come here, come here.
Where are you? Already, you have to be specific.
Oh my god, where is the cat? Yo, there you are. Oh my god.
Stop chasing the cat.
Hey there, little guy. A carrot. Yeah, the cat gave me that.
Stop trying to yell at me. I fell in the water. I'm good, but I'm wet. I'm soaking wet. Give me the carrot.
Yo, cat gave me that.
No,
Yes, the cat gave me that.
the cat.
Yeah, the cat gave me that.
The cat. Was it okay? Okay. Man, this is cold. Where's the bathroom? Oh, it's right here. Oh,
Yo,
I'm
there's
gonna
cat.
try and find the cat. Did you find it? Stop giving the cats this. Seriously. Stop throwing it. The cat is gonna get into it. Stop! I think the cats are gonna get along very well. I don't know. Are they yelling at me? They're trying to yell
Yo,
at me.
chill, chill, chill.
You know, I'm not gonna listen to you. You know, if you're trying to speak to me, go and transform into something else so I can hear you. Sunny, what?
I said, do you have no brain?
Me or someone else? You're rude. You're very rude. Sunny, they told me I have no brain.
I said, do you? Not, you don't have a brain. I said, do you have no brain?
You stop, don't do that. Don't do that.
No, Oreo, if you don't stop, I'll give you a treat. I'll give you a treat. Come on.
There is going to be a lot of cuddles, by the way.
No,
Don't
you're gonna reward
Come on,
that treat.
I'm trying to get Oreo to get away from the knife. To be honest. The treat's in the office, okay? The treat's in the office. I'm gonna close these. You can get in, Boots. There you go. Freddy, you need
Yeah.
to watch the cats.
Alright.
You need to watch the cats so they don't grab anything or bite onto anything.
Oh, chill. Chill. Oh, that hurts.
Everything's okay.
Yo, are you okay?
In the first place.
Are you dead or something?
Okay.
Chill. Chill. Don't hurt him.
Be nice. Okay. Oreo. Oreo.
Hello, little guy.
Be nice. Okay. You do know if you be good, I'll give you a treat. The same thing goes to you.